Landward.com is once again seeking out the best do-it-yourself projects, this time at the base of the Koralpien Wies. And by my side is Peter Michelic. Hello, Peter.
Hello.
You and your son built a project together and then submitted it to Landward.com. Could you describe to us exactly what you built?
Yes. We have been looking for a suitable device for the maintenance of forest roads for a long time, and there was nothing available on the market. We looked around in Ladbeck, but we didn't find anything. And there were only devices available that either have high peripheral speeds and high wear and tear. And we tried to make or build something where we can produce something with simple means that can cut off the branches.
Okay, that means your goal was to simply clear forest paths of branches, and from that this branch cutter was created, which we are standing by. How did you plan this now, and what all did you install there?
The main components are the sealing knives. They capture the branch material, then guide it to a cutting edge, and the cutting edge is activated by a rotating movement, and the branch is cut off. As a result, the cut is made smoothly. There is almost no tearing of the cut material, and thus it spares the tree and the branches.
You told me beforehand that this kind of lopper is quite unique and offers many advantages. What are these advantages?
Yes, a big advantage is there is something similar on the market, but it's not modular. Our device can be used modularly. For larger attachments, for example excavators, you can increase this to 3, 4, 5 discs, and this increases the effectiveness. The further advantage is we have a low weight. The branch unit weighs about 200 kilos, which is very crucial for a carrier vehicle. Then we have built in a sumline control, so the hydraulic force and the mechanical force are connected, and this results in a greatly increased torque on the saw. And furthermore, we have the advantage that since there are no high-speed rotating parts, no cutting material can be thrown away, and no tools can be lost, like for example with a saw. And additionally, you can also use the saw in reverse. This saves you time.
Peter, about how much did this cost you in total?
Yes, the costs are very difficult to estimate because you can't determine the construction times, but the material costs are around 6,000 euros.
Yes, Peter, many thanks, and also thank you to your son for the great project and the submission at Landward.com.
Thank you.
Dear viewers, if you have also realized a do-it-yourself project, feel free to send it to us. You can find the instructions on our website, and we are happy to visit the best projects.